Spore Finance 22.03% moving up. I can't expect this, my friend. What's the reaction to upcoming times? They moving upward or they falls down? And yes, the very important question, my friend. What I tell you, the good news. What's the good news, my friend? I tell you at the end of this video or mid of video. So let's get started. Before I get started this video, don't waste any second, my friend, of this video. But kindly subscribe this channel and yes, press the bell icon for all this type informative videos. So thank you so much, everyone. As you can see here, my friend, the last 7 days chart is on the screen. Unbelievable change occurred now. And yeah, remember this time 34.07% the price is in the profit. But definitely, my friend, in the previous days all market is dumped, my friend. Very fastly moving falls down. So don't see. I hope, my friend, this I cannot expect also my this from Spore to take in 34.07% take a jump. But this is the reality. If you can see, my friends, they take a very good jump. After a failures, they also take a good jump. You can see here, this is completely in the circulation. So it's proof, it's mean, my friends, if they also move off in this current situation. Exactly, after this is possible to upcoming times, they also move off like a rocket. So kindly I request you, my all holder, to don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, they moving off in upcoming time. Alright, come to the latest update. As you can see, my friend, this time the latest update is last 1 hour as 8.05%. What a massive jump, my friend. You can see 0.0001 USD dollar is the latest price. But this is massive jump, my friend. Change occurred now in the crypto market. I cannot expect this from Spore Finance because this is short. This is very small token, my friend, and I cannot expect this. But this is the reality, my friends. Today starting moving up. So let's see, my friends, what's the good news. The good news is that, my friends, I announced the giveaway, my friend, the giveaway of Spore Finance. And yes, my friends, 10 million token, my friend, I announced. So therefore the giveaway is coming soon. Just and only you subscribe our 10,000 subscribe our YouTube channel and complete 10,000 subscriber. I hope, my friends, after that I make a special video for that. Then we do a giveaway. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.